I am in serious need of a solution to my daughter's stuffy and toy situation up in her room, and Honeyera was kind enough to send me their 5-pocket soft animal toy storage solution in exchange for my honest review. So let's put it together. The package comes ready with everything you need to assemble it, no tools necessary, which is very exciting because who knows where the tools are. We've got the hooks that go over the door, rods that you assemble to give it structure. Oh, this is big. Look at the mesh. It's a nice durable mesh. This is really nicely. It is nice and bulky to fit larger stuffies or toys that you might want to hang. And these are very nicely reinforced right here. There's a split in the middle so you can fold it for storage, but otherwise this is very solid right here. There's like some sort of hard board in there to keep it from stretching and collapsing on you. We've got a little info packet here, and Honeyera also provides a 5-year warranty. Well, this is cute and unexpected. Look at these cute little stickers. Huh. Look at that. Easy. They snap right in. And they're quite strong. Ooh, really not bendy at all. So there's a Velcro tab here that I open, and that's where I'm going to slide in the rod. Last one. So all I have to do now is loop these through here, other way, and hang it up over the door. Let's put it up.